Aloha, my friends, and I am happy to announce to you that Golden Shadow Academy is now open. What is Golden Shadow Academy? It is an online community for like-minded individuals that are interested in unlocking their potential and living their ideal life. See, the Golden Shadow is a spot within us that is the light within the dark that holds all of our unlocked gifts, our talents, our greatest potential, the best versions of ourselves, and it is either all untapped or it is where that energy comes from. It's where our highest, greatest, most natural vibration exists. And within Golden Shadow Academy, we help others step into that and understand that aspect, as well as provide a community for those that are into spirituality, identify as a conscious creator, a rainbow warrior, a light worker, an energy maker, a risk taker, an occultist, a mystic, somebody that is interested in improving themselves mentally, emotionally, physically, spiritually, and that wants to walk this path with others that have this same vision and share from a variety of walks of life that we can combine and raise our consciousness together. For when we become consciously aware, we make conscious decisions, and those conscious decisions lead into consciousness evolution. So this is some place that we can come together and ripple out, where we are combining the power of community, courses, and coaching to give you a triforce plate, a trifecta of amazing power and an amazing gifts that we can offer unto you. It's a place where like-minded coaches like myself have come together to build this. And within it, we offer courses that will be continuing adding upon regularly and growing that library of courses and transformational material. Currently, there is Tune Into Your Intuition, The Path of Plant Medicine, Energy Mechanics, the history of magic and esotericism, initiation into spirituality, heart-centered relations, and many more to come, as well as we'll have weekly events of breathwork and meditation and gatherings and readings, as well as we have monthly gatherings of workshops, events, and so forth, with live retreats coming as well, and much more as this continues to grow, with group coaching and one-on-one coaching included as well. If this is something that you want to be a part of, and if you are ready to unlock your potential and step into your ideal life and be surrounded by people with a similar vibration as you and similar path and aiming to live their best selves, then this is for you. Click the link down below and join. For this is a place where you can truly step into that in a safe, carried way. It's a space there is no bullying there. There is no trolling like there is in other places of the internet. This is a place for you to step into your fullest, best self in a safe environment, as well as when we have group initiations together, when we go through group experiences together, we make a change not only in our own life, but in the lives of those around us. So I hope to see you in there and hope to be connecting with you more often. If you want more awesome content, click somewhere here for more videos, or click the link down below to join the community. I hope you're having an awesome, successful, amazing day, and don't forget how awesome you truly are. Peace and love, my friends.